Okay, there we go. So I just finished my project. Again, is a 2008 Ducati 1098. Okay, it was all black when I got it, and the chains are broken half. Nose pocket, left stator cover, and yeah, stator cover was damaged, and I just replaced it. And I did full blue chrome graphic all around with a little carbon fiber. It's 5D's carbon fiber. I did just front end and front fender and a little line for the mid fairings and a lower bottom fairings. All right, okay. And so I order this is DID gold chain and rear pocket, super box or something, I don't know. Okay, just add it on, you know. Anyway, dual carbon fiber exhaust. I love this sound. Okay, this is perfect exhaust, brand name. Go around. Mazzini wheels, nice. I love this wheel so much. Okay, open clutch, got a Rizoma, dry clutch. It's not in perfect wrap because I did it by myself, so it can't be like professional. I wish, but I try my best. It's just like look like that, you know. And what else? So around 14,000 miles on it. 14. Okay, what else? Brake and clutch level, Ducati one. Pretty much this. Okay. Go again, deal around. Okay, I'm gonna start it up so you guys can see. I mean, my bad. Hear the sound, you know. I love that sound. Okay, ready? One hit. take a ride, but not now. Because the GoPro just needs to charge it up, you know. That's about it. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you later.